my confidence.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mia and you're watching mamaameah. If you're new here, if you're not new here, thanks for coming back. You my dog, you my girl. I appreciate you. Y'all, I just filmed this makeup look and it's just kind of hitting different because I haven't filmed makeup in so long, and like it's been over a year, and even before then I think I only filmed twice. So it's just, I'm really excited to kind of jump back and, you know, be patient or whatever, but I'm excited. All of the makeup that I'm using today is drugstore friendly. You can find them at Walgreens, Walmart. I got all this shit from Walmart. Just any drugstore really. Like, it's all pretty basic. It's my everyday makeup. I use this shit every single day. Like, if you ever see me on Instagram in person, like, and you're like, oh, your makeup's so pretty, baby, this is it. Real simple, real easy. I just kind of throw it on, and I just hope y'all enjoy this. If y'all don't, please don't dislike my video. I hate when I get dislikes. If y'all don't, just click off. Like, just click off the video. I'm sorry, I'm just too excited. I'm really proud of myself because I've been telling myself for like ever that I was gonna film this makeup look, and I filmed it before and I deleted the whole thing because I hated it so much. And I'm just like, nope, I'm uploading this. So yeah, let's just jump right into the video. If you're not subscribed, please press subscribe. It helps my channel out a lot. It means so much to me. If you are subscribed, I really do appreciate you. I love you guys. And here's the tutorial. Okay, so my skin is already moisturized, and I'm just kind of rubbing a little oil on my lips just to prep them for when I do them later. And I'm going to move on to my eyebrows. I already have an eyebrow tutorial, but if you need more detail, just go to the eyebrow tutorial. But I'm using Wet n Wild eyeliner. Now I'm just going to take my e.l.f. concealer in the color Deep Olive. Y'all, it's so hard to do my freaking eyebrows on camera. Like, I'm struggling, but we're gonna get through this, okay? So basically what I did was I just lined it more so to get the shape, and then I just went over it more with the more concealer to get more of like a cleanup look. So I like shaped it first how I wanted it, and then I put a little more concealer just to like clean it up, which for some might seem like double the work, but like that's what works for me. I just like make sure they're even. Push them out a little. All right. And the way I do my makeup, because it's very natural, I do face then eyes. But if I'm doing something super dramatic, then I'll move on to eyes then face, because I wouldn't want my eye makeup to fall into my foundation. But this is very simple look. It's very easy. It's like a 1 eyeshadow, 2 eyeshadow look. So I always do my face and then my eyes, and I'm using Fit Me Maybelline in 340. I've been using the same foundation for years because I love it. It gives me full coverage. I can play with it if I want light coverage. Like, it's very maneuverable, like, and I don't even like use a lot. Like, I'm about to show you how much I got on my brush. Look, I'm not even using a lot.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good. I put that
on. I don't even know, Ultimate Edit, I guess that's the name. This is the color that I use every single day because I love it so much. And then I like it because it has to have shimmer. So if I want to like add a little extra pizzazz, then I can. But look, I think this wasn't that much. I got this from Walmart. This whole look, I'm telling you, I got from Walmart. Like, it's very drugstore friendly. Look at that. I just built that up.
Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics to
You do it just, I'm using one brush to add product, and I used a different brush to blend the top, but there's no product on here, so that's why it blended so easily. But y'all, this is a 2-brush makeup look because I'm done already. And this is it. This is my everyday makeup look. That's it. I'm telling y'all, I'm very, very quick and easy. What makes it look so good is the face. Watch, I'm gonna show y'all how this look goes from basic to like bomb as fuck.
like the sound, seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a good, put that on good. When it gets hard, I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go pull with that jump off my back. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day.
And with my concealer, Deep Olive. This is my go-to. I think it's like the best concealer for my skin tone.
World on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Catch a break. Better way. Oh, hey.
now I'm going to take my Black Radiance Contour Palette, and I'm just going to literally just a little on my cheeks because it's really not needed. I told you guys I have high cheekbones already, and I don't even bring it all the way down. It's literally just this part, just to kind of add a little drama. You want to be basic, but not too basic, okay? To kind of soften everything, I'm using the top. I don't use a lot. Oh, and it's dark 40 fitting. I'm using the top look. And still tap it. You don't want a lot. Just a quick sweep over to kind of give you that matte look. Just to soften everything up. I'm using Milani. What color is this? Milani Sun Glow. Like I said, just a little. And this is something I really have to like tell y'all just a little because I be using a lot. My obsession with highlighter is sick. Like I just keep building and building and building. But I'm telling y'all, use a little because I be like, at the end of the day, I be like, why do I look so wet? My face be looking like it's drowned in highlighter. And I just gotta catch myself. I start shining and start feeling myself like, girl, relax. Alright, so yeah, we're gonna do lashes now. I'm trying to get as close as I can. And it's my favorite part, the lip. Y'all, I love doing my lips. Because y'all know I'm an overline every single time, okay? So that's literally my eyebrow pencil that I just used. The same eyebrow pencil I just used. And now I'm going to use NYX. Oh, what is this? Lingerie? It's basically like a, I don't even know what color this is called. What color is this? Oh, Expose Me. That's cute. I just bought this though. I never used this. This is the only thing that I'm using for the first time. Not a lot. Oh, my lips look really big. I don't know if I like that. Well, no, it's definitely different. I didn't want to use this because it's like running out. Hold on. Let me show y'all. Ah, it's so much better. Oh, that looks so much better. So much better. And put some gloss on it. And I'm just using regular little beauty supply gloss. And that's it, y'all. So y'all let me know how y'all like this look, and